Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to iTouch App Reviewers. In this video, I have a quick unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro in gold. Now I've got this one on Verizon and it's 256 gigabytes. And I'm gonna show you guys around the box here. On the back, there's just two pull tabs. I'd show the bottom one, but there's serial numbers and stuff. So you get the idea. Apple's trying to be environmentally conscious, so it is what it is. So I will pull this. There is no plastic, and let's open her up. And there it is. Wow. The iPhone 13 Pro looking very nice. So there it is. Very reflective sides and one piece of sticky paper on the front. Now that's pretty satisfying. So this is what it looks like. That camera bump is huge. This color is awesome. It is like an iridescent kind of pearly gold. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but that looks so good. Wow. And it does have some heft to it because obviously it does have a very big battery in it. But anyways, let's take a look at what else is in the box. We've got no charger, which shame on Apple for that. Still not happy about that and probably never will be. Apple should definitely include a charger brick in the box. Here is the lightning cable, and looks like we've just got SIM removal tool and an Apple sticker. And this is actually on like a parchment paper. This is not plastic anymore, so that is interesting. So that's it. That's all that's in the box. Just the phone, the cable, SIM ejection tool, booklet, and an Apple sticker. So it's pretty simple for what, $1,200? But yeah, there is the new iPhone. Just looks so good. So I'll have more videos on this coming up in the future, but I'm gonna go set it up and I'll get back with you guys in a bit. So if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.